Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Junior Ospina Conga 05847, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having a small container for screws is also helpful. Start by turning off your device and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, place the device on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage during the process. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back panel. Make sure to keep track of these screws in your small container. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic clips holding the panel in place. After the panel is removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using your soft cloth. This will ensure optimal performance after the battery replacement. Now, identify the battery compartment. Carefully disconnect the old battery by detaching the connectors. If you're unsure about how to do this, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get the right advice before proceeding. Once the old battery is removed, it's time to install the new battery. Align the connectors properly and press them firmly into place. Make sure the battery is seated correctly in its compartment. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making this process easier for you. After securing the new battery, it's essential to reassemble the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating that the clips are secure. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them just enough to hold the panel in place, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Once the screws are in place, double-check to ensure everything is secure. Finally, plug your device back into the power source and turn it on. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery in your Junior Ospina Conga 05847. If you run into any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple, effective solution for your battery needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.